Greetings and salutations, everyone. I am Obsidian Vale, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a special box that I've received from Gothic Beauty magazine, and they asked me to review some products for them. And I'm super excited to do this and show you all what I got so far. So I haven't looked completely inside the box, so I'm going to be surprised at what I see. I haven't looked into the box, so I'm going to be opening the box with you all for the first time, and we're going to be checking out what Gothic Beauty magazine has given me. All right, pretty excited. It comes in a black box, as you can see, black box. Okay. And I'm going to be peeking inside. Ooh, let's see here. Oh, cool. I got some, I think, socks. I'm going to open this up and see what I got. If it's socks or gloves or something. And they are gloves. Awesome. Green and black. See? Yeah, they're pretty cool. I like these. These are really comfortable. I love fingerless gloves. They're one of my favorite things to wear. I will absolutely be wearing that. Okay, the next item is Velvet Shadows Spooky Spirits. Let's see if it's gonna focus. I wonder if this is like a perfume or something. It doesn't quite say. Yeah, apply to wrist, neck, temples. So it's some type of roll-on perfume, I think. It smells fruity, like grapes. It smells really good. Let's see what else they have. This smells really good. I like that. I'm definitely going to be using that. Let's see what else we got. This got like purple wrapping in here. It's really cool. Oh, I got one of their magazines. I actually have not gotten a print copy of Gothic Beauty magazine. I think I've got like an online copy a long time ago, and this is my first print copy of Gothic Beauty magazine. Look at that. Really cool. Yeah, this is my first print copy of this, and I see this is an advertisement for white foundation, which I happen to be wearing today. If you saw my last video, you know that I tried white foundation for the first time, and this is what we have. So yeah, I do need a better white foundation. It's pretty cool looking. I like it. Look inside. You have like cool stuff like interviews, jewelry sales, models, a lot of stuff that you expect to see in a magazine. But yeah, I love this. Other people who've done the Gothic Beauty box on YouTube. So this is my first time ever doing something like this. So yeah, that is awesome. I really like that. I love Gothic magazines. But I've known about Gothic Beauty for a long time. I've never been in their magazine. It could change one day, I don't know. Hey, I have an amber air freshener. This is badass. For the car, oh yeah, I'm definitely putting this in my car really quickly. So yeah, it's a skull crossing. So it looks like a advertisement card for a discount with lip service. I never really bought anything from them before, surprisingly. But their stuff can be pretty expensive. But yeah, the coupon helps. We got a letter from Gothic Beauty box from the Gothic Beauty magazine. And they're saying thank you. This is Goth Beauty box 59. And oh, this is cool wrapping paper. I don't even want to damage it because it's so awesome looking. Like, of course, Gothic Beauty magazine is gonna have some cool stuff like that when they ship. So, because there's so much wrapping paper, I'm gonna have to dig in here and see what else is in here. Let me see. They're the ones who print everything. Is this what I think it is? Let me see. Let me open it. Doodle. What's this? I think it's makeup. Oh my god, it is makeup. It's so awesome. This is cool. I love the packaging, the dark greens and the black. And oh my god, see, one thing I love is a good makeup palette, and look at this. Green earth colors. This actually couldn't have come at a better time, because I just got more into like wearing dark greens, like earthy colors, like, and that palette will go perfect with it. So I haven't posted any photos of me in anything dark green or anything like that, but I am most definitely going to do that. Ooh, look at this. A bad like hair bow or something. Yeah, let me open it. Hair clip. I don't know why I don't know why I said hair bow, but yeah, let me open. It's huge. I love it. Look at that. That's cool. I like it. I'm actually about to put it on right now, so give me 1 second. Okay, as you can see, it looks really good. I like it. It's cool. Okay, so what else do we got here? I think this may be the last item. Oh, what's this? I think this may be a makeup brush cleaner, which is shaped like a teapot. Yeah, I don't have my makeup brush here with me, so yeah, it's not, I can't show you how to use it. Oh, I was wrong. I have something else in here. Okay, let's see what I got. What is this? This is, ooh, eyeliner. I see an onk here too. Is this let's see. Eyeliner stamp. I just got into the eyeliner stamp thing. That's what I have on my face right here, is little crescent moons. I love it. Like, it makes things so much easier versus drawing it by hand. And they gave me an onk one, which is awesome. And I think maybe they gave me this one because I have an onk tattoo. So let's look at it and we'll open it up. And this is by Lashy Doodle, like the eyeliner or like the eyeshadow. But yeah, my camera is not focusing very well today. I don't know why. Okay, and one end is the stamp for the onk. I'm gonna put this on. I'm actually just gonna put it on. Like, where should I put it? So I have the moon right here. I'll put it on my forehead and show you what it looks like. Honestly, it's really hard to see. Like, you can obviously see my crescent moon, but you can't really see the onk very well. But it's a hit or miss with eyeliner stamps, because sometimes if you push too hard, they can make a circle around it. And obviously you have this part because you can fill it in if you mess up. So I had to really dig in the box and make sure that I got everything, because it was easy to miss the ones that I just pulled out, which are like 3 items. I have a small precision brush, and it's by Dark Asteroid Pretty right here. We're gonna open it up and see. Oh, there's a little face right here. It's really cool. And we're gonna open it up and see how the brush looks. And I can probably also show you how to use the brush cleaner. Oh, very nice. I like it. Simple little brush. And for those of you who don't know, you clean your makeup brush with some water, a bit of soap, and do like that and swirl it in there. But yes, I love this. Like, I love this whole thing. And I also got a couple of stickers from Gothic Beauty magazine, and also Euphoria. I love Gothic stickers. I do collect them. And that is all. That is all. I hope you enjoyed that. So if you want a box for yourself, I believe Zine-tastic is the one that sells them directly. It's either Zine-tastic or Gothic Beauty magazine themselves. If you want to purchase a magazine, or you want to probably get a box yourself, you can definitely go on the website. I will link it down below and you can check it out yourself. Thank you for watching, everyone. I will see you soon.